machine, the air quality sucks. So I'm gonna go take a little bit of a break from the city, head out to the mountains. Just a couple hours outside the crazy city of Medellin is this amazing place called Guatape. I've been here for about 5 days, and so far I haven't left my hostel yet. But why would I? This place has a pool, a patio, a restaurant, a bar, and amazing views here. The one thing Guatape is famous for is this rock back there. People come here and climb up to the top of that rock. But I've been a little bit busy with work and a little bit lazy, so instead I just took my drone to go check it out.